Apple has committed itself to becoming 100% carbon neutral across its entire business line, manufacturing supply chain, and the entire product lifecycle by the year 2030. This is quoting Apple itself. Businesses have a profound opportunity to help build a more sustainable future, one born of our common concern for the planet we share, said Tim Cook, Apple's CEO. The innovations powering our environmental journey are not only good for the planet, they've helped us make our products more energy efficient and bring new sources of clean energy online around the world. Climate action can be the foundation for a new era of innovative potential, job creation, and durable economic growth. With our commitment to carbon neutrality, we hope to be a ripple in the pond that creates a much larger change, end quote. Apple is providing detail on its approach to carbon neutrality with a roadmap for other companies as industries look to reduce their impact on climate change. In its 2020 Environmental Progress Report released today, Apple details its plans to reduce emissions by 75% by 2030. While developing innovative carbon removal solutions for the remaining 25% of its comprehensive footprint, end quote. In the press release announcing this, there's a whole bunch of interesting details that at least I hadn't seen mentioned before. For example, Apple has a robot that it calls Dave that now disassembles the Taptic engine from iPhones to better recover key materials such as rare earth magnets and tungsten, while also enabling the recovery of steel, the next step following its line of Daisy iPhone disassembly robots. All iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch devices released in the last year are made with recycled content, including 100% recycled rare earth elements in the iPhone Taptic engine, a first for Apple and for any smartphone. Apple decreased its carbon footprint by 4.3 million metric tons in 2019 through design and recycled content innovations in its products. Over the past 11 years, Apple has reduced the average energy need for its product use by 73%. And Apple now has commitments from over 70 suppliers to use 100% renewable energy for Apple production, equivalent to nearly 8 gigawatts in commitments to power the manufacturing of its products. Once completed, these commitments will avoid over 14.3 million metric tons of CO2 annually, the equivalent of taking more than 3 million cars off the road each year. So, I guess this one is from the Credit When Due department.